This sophisticated leisure kitchen was designed for those cooks who demand plenty of countertop workspace and convenient storage of kitchen necessities. Silverware and utensil storage solutions are a must, and details such as this cutlery tray make organization easy and efficient. Sapphire is Wellborn Cabinets' newest addition to its standard paint line. Paired with the classic bright white, these colors work perfectly together. Solid cherry floating shelves are featured on either side of the hood ventilation area. These come with Wellborn Cabinets' Prep for Lighting feature that allows for the installation of LED strip lighting so that adequate lighting for meal prep is available. Below the stovetop, dovetail soft close drawers combined with pegged organizers ensure that your dishes are secure, neat, and easy to find. Wellborn Cabinets' base utensil pull-out cabinet is perfect for freeing up counter space. It also allows you to keep your utensils neat, clean, and tucked away. Each utensil holder is metal and removable for ease of cleaning. Above the stove, the designer utilized the You Draw It program to create this unique cover to encase the baffle hood vent. Finished in bright white and trimmed in stainless steel, this provides a bit of elegance along the back wall of the kitchen. Perhaps the one thing that's missing from most kitchens today is the ideal place to store vegetables. Whether they come from the garden or the grocery store, dry storage is needed. These plastic trays are easy to clean and slide out for ease of access. They keep potatoes, onions, and other vegetables in a cool, dry spot. In larger, more traditional pantries, dry goods like beans, rice, and flour often get lost in the back of a deep closet or a cabinet pantry. With this full extension canister pullout, your essentials are sealed and right where they belong, next to your workstation. Deep sliding shelves were installed to separate various types of dishes, as well as to provide order and accessibility. Adjustable for your individual needs, these drawers can be moved to the height of your preference. Wellborn Cabinets' decorative bishop door frame, framed with satin glass, displays the finer accessories of any kitchen. Since the dawn of home construction, a sense of mystery and excitement has surrounded secret rooms and hidden passages. With our new walk-through pantries, Wellborn Cabinet has found a way to take those exciting concepts and turn them into beautiful, creative ways to maximize space in both existing pantries as well as new constructions. Designed to have plenty of space around the island, this area was created with the idea that more than one person can work in the kitchen, making meal preparation, holidays, and special occasions much easier to host. Using character cherry for the island mellows the space by adding warmth, interest, and a casual feel for guests. Our solid wood pull-out cutting board is tucked neatly above this wooden knife tray. Wellborn Cabinets' Farm Range Base Cabinet allows the farmhouse sink to overlap and fit perfectly with the cabinets below. This solid wood dovetail U-shaped sliding shelf provides room for plumbing fixtures while maximizing storage for cleaning supplies. Each corner of the island features an angled base cabinet with shelves and a finished interior. The deep cabinet behind the fixed door houses a wicker basket pullout, which is easy to remove for accessibility. For more information on this and other Wellborn products, please visit our website at www.wellborn.com.